Farmington Hills, a thriving city in Oakland County, the home to the headquarters of Michigan Auto Law and some of Michigan's most dangerous intersections. Crashes often happen at Orchard Lake Road and 14 Mile Road, with 109 crashes reported in 2024 alone. And at Orchard Lake Road and 12 Mile Road, with 65 crashes and 16 injuries. Michigan Auto Law is here to help. If you are searching for the best car accident lawyers in Farmington Hills, here is what you need to know. After a crash, exchange information, take photos, and get medical attention if you're hurt. Then speak with an attorney before talking to any insurance company. Michigan's no-fault laws are complex, and insurance companies often try to limit what they should pay. Our Farmington Hills car accident lawyers bring specialized experience and a strong record of results, working to recover full compensation for your case. There are no out-of-pocket fees, so you pay nothing unless we win for you. So do you need a lawyer after a car accident in Farmington Hills? The answer is probably yes. An experienced attorney can make a real difference for you. A skilled law firm handles everything for you, from the investigation to negotiation, so you can focus on healing. Call Michigan Auto Law today for a free consultation. There are no fees unless we win for you.